Hello viewers, welcome back. This is Shweta and you're watching me on my channel Mom Through Lens. If you are new to my channel, then let me give a brief about myself. I am a full-time mother to a 4-year-old daughter and a happy homemaker. Besides, I am a certified interior designer and a passionate interior stylist. So I will be sharing some tips, tricks, finds and researches that can help you out to turn your house to home. So basically, it's not only entertainment but also informative. Let's begin today's vlog. Foyer plays a very important role in our home. It doesn't have to be just functional, but it also has to be appealing. Like the morning shows the day, the foyer reveals the vibes and the personality of the persons living in that home. So I will be sharing 10 basic tips that will help you design your dream foyer. Tip number 1. Do your research and finalize a design. Number 2. Make a budget.
Planning a budget makes your work easier. You know your limits, where you want to put your money on. Making categories will help you in deciding the quality that you can produce from the particular space. I have divided my categories into lights, wall treatments, furnitures and accessories. In this way, I can set a budget and I can decide on my expenditures.
Tip number 3. Plan your layout.
I basically follow two plans. A 2D plan, which gives me an idea of the walls and space available so that I can decide on the size of my furnitures. Second, a furniture layout, where I allocate the furnitures to the respective places. I also prefer to sketch the wall views, which help me decide on my layouts as well as the basic standards that I need to follow.
Tip number 4. Use furnitures that are proportional. Buying a furniture or designing a furniture, keep the dimensions in your mind or take a note of it so that you don't end up buying a huge furniture. A disproportional furniture can block the flow of your eyes. Tip number 5. Plan and work on your storage solution. Closed one stores the hardwares, helmets, tools, medicines and other outdoor game stuffs. Closed inbuilt storage basically holds the shoes and newspapers. Your open storage for grab-on-go things like keys, your sunglasses, the most important sanitizers. This wall hook I have sourced from Fab India. This teacup has been used to store the glasses. Tip number 6. Use a rug. Using a rug will not only break the monotony of your regular floor tiles, but it will also direct the flow of the traffic towards different parts of your home, like bedrooms, living rooms, etc. Tip number 7. Use your vertical space. The door side wall has been treated with wallpaper from Asian Paints and the photo frames were sourced from Home Center. I have used 2 sets of photo frames to create the balance in the look. The wall opposite on the door has drama infused in it. I have used this L-shaped ledge to hold the photo frames, some knickknacks, my sunglasses, and I have used some hung photo frames as well as some mixture of ceramic and wooden decor accents. Tip number 8. Treat your walls. Don't leave your walls untreated. I have used this butter rum color from Asian Paints to bring a flow in the design. Tip number 9. Lighting plays an important role. Number 10. Use accents which are prettier. you viewers for watching. I hope this short vlog would help you in designing your foyer. If you have any queries, do let me know in my comment section. I will be happy to help you out. Do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more such videos. Till then, goodbye.